Alright guys, so it might be noisy here, but we're gonna go through the Genie. Alright, so it's my first time here. We'll go save time in line, choose 2 ways to purchase. Oh, you can't. Oh, here we go. Okay. So I guess you can pick your top priority rides. Let's go to let's go to my tea party. Let's go to Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. I don't think I've been there in a while. Maybe Space Mountain. Alright, those 3 Disney favorites. Let's skip this for now. Okay, so I guess you can turn those on if you want to see the height requirements. We'll take those off for now. Okay, $20 per guest. Star Wars. Alright. And we're gonna scan that. So I guess we bought an individual pass for Rise of the Resistance. 6, 7, I think it's that one. And okay. So we can make a new reservation here. Cool. So we got all the rides here. It's a Small World, Autopia, Big Thunder Railroad, Buzz Lightyear, Astro Blasters, Haunted Mansion, Indiana Jones. Current standby times is something that I want to check, just because of the, I heard about the Walt Disney World. Oh, look, it says one of my favorites right here. Splash Mountain, Star Tours, 5 minutes. Everything's very short. Let's try to do, maybe Haunted Mansion. $9.15. Okay, my party is showing 1. I only have one Disney pass. And creating my best Disney day. Here we go. Okay, so I guess it shows my Genie Lightninglane Haunted Mansion at 9:15. That's about 5 minutes. The Winnie the Pooh ride is coming up. Rise of the Resistance, that's the redeemable at 11:20. And I guess you can reserve like lightning lanes for the restaurants. Snow White. And you can see the forecasted wait time. Matterhorn bobsled forecasted wait. And it'll show that's pretty cool. Let's do Alice. I think Alice in Wonderland is usually one that has I don't know if we can book Snow White for sure. We can go to the tip board. Roger Rabbit's is closed, open till 10:05. Star Wars. Individual. Oh, it says it's purchased. Alice in Wonderland is about 15 minutes. I guess you can't book it if it's I think it might be see, it's only 5 minutes, so 10:05. Big Thunder Railroad. Oh, I guess you can't book it. Your party eligible party member, so I can't book it because I already have one, right? So anything that I try to book is still no good. So let's see if we can select my stuff, redeem. So once you hit your ride that you booked a reservation for, the standby line is 13 minutes, so I don't know what's going on with that. I don't want to hit redeem because I don't want to lose it, but we'll record the redeem line when we get there. So that's it so far. Let's go back home. It says parking Genie Lane, upcoming plans. Okay, let's go hit upcoming plans. My day. Haunted Mansion. I think it's just all the stuff that you can do. Galactic Grill. Why this? Okay, it doesn't really say. I think I'm gonna hit Galactic Grill for lunch. Ever Evolving Tomorrowland, Buzz Lightyear, Astro Blasters, Jungle Cruise. Well, Ever Evolving Tomorrowland, I don't know, right? Well, I guess is that like the history of it? Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Everything is slow. This is like the bad part about coming in at this time, is that everything is pretty low. We'll stop that. Alright guys, we're gonna head over to Haunted Mansion and we're gonna check it out. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back to the Haunted Mansion. It's already time for us to go through our passes right here, so look at that. Check it out. We're gonna be heading in. Alright, so So we get a notification. And it's going to be time for us to redeem it. We're going to be heading in. I hope the line is very short.
Over here. That sounds great.
Magic.
Because the 3 little lines down here. No, 3 little lines. And use sometimes the name doesn't always
I mean, you said it.
I might need an angle.
Stay by my side. Keep me safe through the scariness.
Fine?
Three of us are right here.
Come on, you guys.
Cat, DJ, go catch it. Go back the other way.
That one? Okay. There we go. You might have to see him push it up a little bit. You're welcome. Head on in.
Thank you. Alright, so once we scan, then that's hopefully it. Hopefully we get to jump right in front of everything. We'll see. So hopefully we're going to skip all this. Gonna select done, and that's a wrap. So we just finished up Haunted Mansion. It was a walk-on pretty much, and honestly I think it's worth it, because as soon as I got off, it was time to ride Space Mountain. So when there's no people, you get shorter intervals. So I think the power of the Genie is going to be pretty crazy. Like if you come in at rope drop, it's going to be, you're going to be able to ride like everything, like within an hour or two. And then after this, I think I got Star Wars. Hopefully it's back up. Hopefully it's back up by that time, because I think it was closed right now. But we'll see. We're heading to Space Mountain. Alright guys, we're on our way to redeem the Space Mountain Genie thingy. And it's about 25-minute wait. But hopefully it's quicker without the
Trying to keep my head down.
with this happening Lightninglane.
It depends. It really favors if you want to get in almost
Okay. So it says it's about 35-minute wait. We're gonna redeem it right now. And then we'll make a new one.
Did you make a selection yet? Do you have the Genie Plus, or do you have my return code?
Thank you. Let's see where we get a skip here. And that's the whole line for the other side. I'm pretty excited. It's been a while since I've been on Space Mountain just because of the line. So I don't want to wait like, you know, an hour or an hour and a half just to get on. But this is pretty cool. Alright, so I just got out of Space Mountain. My SD card's about to be over, but yeah, that was fun. Totally worth it. See you guys later. Can you scan here? Alright, we're in, guys. Hell yeah. Hey everybody, so I'm back in my car. It's about 12 p.m. Car's going the wrong way. It's about 12:15 p.m. Just about to take off from Disney. As you guys saw earlier, I did get the Genie fast lane thing, and I did get the add-on for the rotor. Currently, at the moment, I think rotor is the only one that is the add-on. It's not part of the regular Genie Pass. And heads up, you can purchase just rotor on its own for $20. You don't have to get the regular Genie Pass and then upgrade to rotor pass. So you don't have to do the whole Genie thing for the other rides. If you want, you can just do rotor by on its own without having to purchase the pre fast lane, whatever it is. Because I thought you would have to purchase the Genie thing and then add on the rotor, but no, you can just do it on its own. So what I thought about the Genie thing is that I was completely wrong about it. I mean, well, I just didn't like the idea that you know, the fast pass thing was coming back, the Lightninglane or the fast lane, whatever it's called. I didn't mind, like, you know, having to pay the 20 bucks because everybody had to pay $10 anyways, right? I got it earlier this morning. I got into the parks at rope drop, and I did not get the Genie thing right when the park opened. You can do it at 7:30 before the park opened, as long as you're scanned in, I think. You're able to go in and purchase the Genie fast lane thing and then start adding rides to your app. So you can only have one ride at a time, and as soon as you use it up, then you can you know, schedule a new ride. Or I think like after your time to go gets called in, then you can schedule a new ride, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I couldn't test that because every time I added the ride, it was like, it's time for you to board. Most of the rides that I got on were about 30 to 45 minute wait time, standby. And when I did it on the Genie app, it was like within, like, as soon as I clicked on it, it was within that time to like 5-10 minutes I would get called. So as long as you know, there's short wait times in the standby, then the Genie thing is probably just going to be like a walk-on. It was really quick. As soon as I scanned my app, I was able to book another one, and as soon as I booked it, it was like, it's your time to board. And I'm like, well, I'm still trying to get on the ride over here. Yeah, I mean, it was cool. I liked it. Just because I'm usually here only for 2 or 3 hours a day, and in those 2 or 3 hours, I only had about, let's see, I was here like at 7:30. I got into the park. I was here for park opening for sure at 8 o'clock. At 8:30ish, I got the Genie thing because I didn't know if I was gonna get it or not. I was just gonna kind of walk around, have breakfast, have a coffee, and then just kind of take off after that. But and it completely threw me off because I brought my backpack with my camera and I was gonna go do like a photo walk. But then I'm like, okay, let me try this out at least once, and then that way I can say if I like it or not. I started adding rides, and you know, as soon as I saw that I added a ride and it said it's my turn to get on, I was like, whoa. I scanned in, added another ride as soon as I scanned in, because I knew once you scan in, you're clear to add another ride. And as soon as I added that ride, it's like your turn to board. I'm like, whoa, that's pretty quick. At least when it's not busy. It's, you know, opening time is not, it's slow until like around noon or maybe like 1 o'clock. It starts to get busy. But yeah, park opening for the first couple hours. If you decide to go for the Genie, you can ride pretty much all the rides. I got on, I want to say Star Tours, Indiana Jones, Pirates, Space Mountain, which I haven't been on in a very long time because of the lines, Roger Rabbit, Haunted Mansion, and Rise of the Resistance. 7 rides. The other rides is like the Carousel. Oh, I got on Winnie the Pooh. Carousel, Winnie the Pooh. I mean, you guys saw it earlier in the video. I went through the list. Snow White. I think the Alice ride was down today because it's part of that, but it wasn't on there. The Mad Tea Party, Snow White. I think they should add the Peter Pan ride to like a add-on, like Rotor. Maybe. Yeah, because that ride is like ridiculous, but it shouldn't be $20. It should be maybe like an additional like $5 maybe. I think that would be cool, like an additional $5. Like if they have tiers like $5, $10, and $20 maybe. Like Rotor is like a AAA ride, you know. Maybe $5 is a small like dark ride like Monsters Inc. or something. Monsters Inc. always is busy. That should be also alright. I gotta test it out at DCA because this time tested it out at Disney and I really liked it. I think I have a DCA reservation for Sunday, so I'll be back Sunday and I'll make another video for the Genie program, the Genie Lightning Pass for DCA for sure. I don't think there's any premium add-ons for that park. Oh, maybe the Spider-Man. Yeah, we'll do that because I want to test it out as well. I want to see how long it takes and if the wait time is as long. But yeah, rides like that you can't do standby line. You're gonna lose like a quarter of your day. But yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be posting up 360 videos. I got a couple ride videos, Roger Rabbit and Rise of the Resistance. So 360 coming up within the next couple weeks. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/J13787. Also, I do not have a YouTube URL yet, but if you search YouTube for Proxygate Gaming, PROXYGATE, and then gaming, GAMING, I am live streaming there. I'm starting to live stream gaming so far. So we'll see how that goes. I kind of want to do Twitch kind of like a just like working, like chatting type of thing, and then YouTube gaming for games. But we'll see. That's still an early you know, thing that I'm still trying to debate. And I think that's it. All right, guys. See you guys. Peace.